Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Kia Telluride infotainment system. Sometimes, your vehicle's display might freeze, act sluggish, or simply not respond as it should. Performing a system reset is a quick and effective way to clear out those minor software hiccups and get everything running smoothly again. It's a simple process that can save you a trip to the dealership for common issues. The first and easiest method is a soft reset. Look for a tiny pinhole button, usually located near the volume knob or on the side of the display screen. You'll need a small, pointed object, like a straightened paperclip, to press it. Gently push and hold this button for approximately 5 to 10 seconds. The system will then power down and restart, often resolving many common issues. If the soft reset doesn't resolve your issue, a hard reset might be necessary. This involves disconnecting the vehicle's battery. First, ensure your Telluride is completely turned off. Then, open the hood and locate your battery. Carefully disconnect the negative battery terminal, usually marked with a minus sign, and leave it disconnected for at least 10 minutes. Reconnect it securely, then start your vehicle to allow the system to fully reboot. After any reset, give your infotainment system a few moments to fully boot up and re-establish all its connections. You will likely need to repair your smartphone via Bluetooth and re-enter any personalized settings, such as radio presets or navigation preferences. To minimize future issues, always ensure your Kia Telluride's infotainment software is kept up to date. Regular updates often include bug fixes and performance enhancements.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.